How to change theme in Opera GX. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version. Now all you have to do is tap on open and it will land you to the home page of Opera GX application on your device. So make sure that you have an account over there. After that, as you tap on this icon over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, it will land you to a new page where you can tap on settings. So tap on settings, and as you tap on settings here, over here at the top, you can see different options for your theme to get changed. So right now it's on for GX Classic. You can select any of these other themes as well. So I'm going to select on this one over here. And as you do that, you can just go back and check and it's done. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.